Greetings for World Environment Day, which is linked to and is, of course, under the UN Decade for Ecosystem Restoration. We are seeing that nature has provided us with abundance for millennia, and yet in a few hundred years, what we've done to the earth is destroy our own home. It's time now to think about our land, our future, and be the generation that's able to restore the earth. And so Brahma Kumaris have various projects that link in with this. With our Kalptaruh project, we have 3 places where we have what we call the Arogyavan forests. And so here we have healing places, soil restoration, seed banks, and many other factors. We're also very deeply concerned with organic farming, but also yogic organic farming. And the research into this has happened through various universities. And what they say is that the soil itself is regenerated through these efforts of meditation on the earth and all the work that we do with the earth. Many different things are happening, but in particular our concern is that human beings should again bring in the concepts of respect, of non-violence and harmony within ourselves and share that with nature. Then we can look forward to a future filled with abundance once more. Human beings should again remember that Mother Earth is our mother.